What's up guys, Andre here from Carplay Solutions. Today we're upgrading this screen in this Land Rover Defender to a nice 13.3 inch screen. Really simple installation, so yeah, keep watching. So first of all, we're just going to remove these bolts. Really simple. We're basically going to use the same type of bolts through the whole video, so it's really easy. Now that the bolts has been removed, you can just take this cover off and put it somewhere safe. And then we have a few bolts to remove this panel above the cluster. Now that the bolt has been removed, just take your plastic trim removal tools carefully and remove that plastic piece. Now we can just move over to the other side and remove these bolts as well. Now we just have this bolt here on the side, and then we will move on to the next piece. Now again, just take your plastic trim removal tools and carefully remove that part. And then once that has been removed, you will find some more of the bolts. Please just be careful so that you don't pull this too hard, as there is a plug that you should remove first. Here I'm just showing where some of the bolts are, but unfortunately I didn't see the ones at the back, so I moved over to the driver's side, and then once I was finished there, I located the other bolts that I forgot. So yeah, just as you think that all the bolts has been removed, then there is a few more. And finally, that is the last bolt for this top part of this panel. You'll see you just have to pull it out with an angle and it will come out. Okay, next up you can just open this glove box and then just start to remove this panel above it. Now there's just a few more bolts to remove here by the screen, so just remove that 4 bolts and then we can take the screen out. Now just unclip these 2 plugs. We will use some of them at a later stage. Depending on which model you have, you might have a different connector, but the process is still the same. Once plugs has been pulled out, you can just use your trim tool to remove the clip at the back. Next step is just to install the new trim plate that holds the new screen. Really simple, just use the bolts that the previous one was taken out with, and then we can fit it. Next up is this LVDS adapter cable. We're going to plug it into the back of the unit at the later stage. We first have to put back this trim piece for the bottom of the screen. Now we're just gonna put back all the bolts we removed earlier in the video. Yeah, so all the bolts has been put back. Now just plug in the plugs and then clip back the screen. So yeah guys, get in contact with us, Carplay Solutions from South Africa, but we can basically supply all across the world. You'll see the unit is working perfectly, really good quality. Looks like it came out like that from the factory. But yeah, get in contact with us.